Hello, everybody. Hope you're having a good day. We are going to call this day 7-8. I forgot to write that in there. Okay, day 7-8-8. And all we're doing today is some practice of what we've been doing in the last couple of lessons. So I want you to try these 4 problems. That's it. Try the 4 problems. And when you're done, come back and look at the answers, and hopefully you'll have them right. Okay, go ahead. Okay, here are your answers. Oh, let me box these. One box and another box. Okay, so hopefully you're getting some of these right. Would be great if you got all of them right. If you are not understanding this, please come online between 11 and 11:30 and I can help you out. Otherwise, shoot me an email and we could set up another time. All right. Hey, have a great weekend. Good job, everybody.